the number of elements in the set S are how many are there. Okay, here conditions observe x belongs to 0 to 100 and integral 0 to x t square sin of x minus t is equal to x square. Fine. Let's take the given integration first of all. 0 to x square, 0 to x t square sin of x minus t dt is equal to x square. This is the given integration, right? We can apply the Bernoulli's rule to do easily. The first function according to Eilert we will consider as t square, and the second function v is sin of x minus t. First function always we will do the differentiation, second function always we will do the integration in Bernoulli's. U dash is equal to 2t, u double dash is equal to 2, right? Next, v1 is equal to integration. Sin integration actually minus cos will come, but t coefficient negative is there, that's however minus we have to apply. Finally cos of x minus t only we will get. Next v2, one more time integration. Cos integration is what actually only sin of x minus t, but t coefficient negative, no, so minus. Next v3 is what minus as it is we can keep. Sin integration is what actually minus will come, but t coefficient again negative, no, so 3 times negative is finally negative only will be the leftover. Cos of x minus t only we will get it, right? 3 times we have to do, right? Next, what is the Bernoulli's formula? Integral uv dt is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 plus and so on, but up to here enough, because up to u double dash v3 only, no, enough. Now apply this Bernoulli's formula. What we will get, see, uv1 means product of these two minus product of these two plus product of these two only, right? uv1 first of all t square cos of x minus t minus u dash v2 means 2t into minus sin of x minus t, so turns to positive 2t sin of x minus t we will get. Next, plus is there, but here minus, no, so minus only we can consider. 2 times of cos of x minus t, limit 0 to x, right, is equal to what they gave, x square. Now substitute upper limit every place, then x square cos t place low, every place of t we have to substitute as x first, right? So x square cos of x minus x cos 0 is 1, and here sin of x minus x sin 0 is 0. Here again cos 0 will come 1 into minus 2 minus 2, it is the upper limit part, minus lower limit when you substitute as 0 in the place of t, it is 0, second function also 0, third when you substitute in the place of t as 0, minus 2 cos x we will get, already minus is there, no, so plus 2 cos x is equal to x square we will get. X square is cancelled. Now 2 cos x equal to 2 and then cos x equal to 1 only we will get. Now cos x whenever it will be 1, when you take x is equal to 2n pi when n is belongs to z, it is the general solution when cos x equal to 1, right? Now given x belongs to 0 to 100, no, here x is equal to 2n pi only. Now 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 100, in the place of x we can substitute as 2n pi less than or equal to 100, where n is belongs to integer. Let's divide the entire inequality with 2 pi first. So 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 100 by 2 pi, n is belongs to integer. Fine. Now 100 if you dividing with 2 pi, what are the result we are getting? So whatever the result we are getting, from 0 to that much result, in between how many integers are there, that is the number of elements in the given set. Okay, 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to, pi means what, 3.14 by 2, 3.14 by 2 means 6.28 we will get. Now 100 by 6.28 is how much only we have to calculate. See now here, generally we know 16 6 are 96, right? But 0.28 is there, so let's check it. Suppose 16 times multiplying means it is coming more than 100 or smaller than 100. Smaller than 100 means 16 we can consider, more than 100 means 15 point something only possibility is there. Let's check it. 6.28 multiplying with 16, 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are what happened, 12, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 16, 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37, one time multiplying means 628, 8 8 plus 6 14, 7 plus 3 10, it is 10, 100.48, so it is crossing 100, right? So 16 we should not consider, so up to 15 point something only possibility is there. So now observe, that implies here 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 15.9 approximately possibilities are there. Therefore, how many integers are satisfying now? N 0, 1, 2 up to 15. Therefore, 16 integers are satisfied. So, the number of elements in S is how many? 16.